Hey, let me show you how you can use your Joy-Con as a mouse in Fortnite while using Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. First of all, you will have to open settings in Fortnite from the home screen, so click on the plus over here in your Joy-Con, and now you will have to just scroll down into the settings, open them, and now go to the right side by clicking on the R button and go for mouse controls. Now use the left stick and you have to select mouse controls, click A, and now by using the left stick, just select your mouse control. If it goes back, then repeat, and you can simply switch between the left, right one, or you can use both. In my case, it will be the right one. And now you will have to grab that strap accessory and connect with your Joy-Con, just like this. Slide it inside. Now when you align it, just press on it, and as you can see on the screen, we can right now use mouse. So we can just go back and we can simply navigate by using mouse. In Fortnite, you can also play game.